Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I am currently on Euro USD trade and gold. If you the video I made previously, I showed you the analysis my analysis on gold. Yeah, this is it. So if you have not watched my previous video where I analyze gold, that I will be positioning myself this exact place where we have the current price now to long gold. So I will put the link on upper left side where you can click on the link and watch the video. So now I patiently waited here for price to come to me. So and I actually have set my buy limit here. So now the order has been triggered. Let me show you my look at it. So here's it. So as you can see, the gold is this is the gold trade, and the upper one is the Euro USD trade. So now let me show you what I saw that warrant me to take the Euro USD trade. So now I look at it here. So this is Euro USD chart. So 1 hour, no, sorry, daily time frame. I usually start my analysis from the daily time frame. So now, as you can see that um the previous daily candle swept the low and closed above the low of the previous one, and which is this one. So this previous daily candle swept the low of this and closed above the low of this very candle, and this is today's candle, today's daily candle. So as you can see, this is the high of previous daily candle, and today's candle has swept the high and closed below the high of previous daily candle. So now I have actually positioned myself. Let's go to 4 hours. Yeah, this is 4 hours. So we know that from here, from the result indication that the market, the overall trend of the market is bullish, right? But I have marked something out. If you look at these two horizontal lines, you can see that we have one, there's a weekly fair value gap here, and below the weekly fair value gap, we have daily daily fair value gap and monthly fair value gap falls on the same zone. Daily fair value gap and monthly fair value gap falls on the same zone. Meanwhile, weekly fair value gap is above. So now, and if we come to this 4 hours time frame, you can see that the weekly fair value gap is serving as an inducement to daily and monthly fair value gap. Listen, guys, it's serving as an inducement. To me, the way I'm seeing, the way I'm looking at this is a kind of trap. Weekly fair value gap is serving as a trap. But if you look at it very well, you see that daily fair value gap and monthly fair value gap falls on the same zone. They fall on the same zone, and the weekly fair value gap is serving as an inducement into the daily and monthly fair value gap. This is a trap, the way I see it. So that is why I am positioning myself to, for price to get to this, take out the inducement and then, get to the daily and monthly fair value gap before I will, uh, buy, I'll look for buy opportunities. So that's for now. I have at the back of my mind that over the general trend of the market of EU is uptrend, but currently I'll be looking for a sell. So that is it. Then moving down to 1 hour time frame, you can see a series of, a series of, these are internal structure though, but we have an internal chalk here. As you can see, I've marked it out already, internal chalk, and after that we have a series of break of structure to the downside. You see? So now, what really triggered my sell position on Euro USD is this. Now, you can see the last internal break of structure to the downside here on 1 hour. It's serving as a sweep, right? It's serving as is yeah, it's a sweep on the 1 hour time frame. So moving down to 15 minutes, you understand, you see it's actually a break of structure, right? You see, this is a break of structure. Look at look at it. This is look at this low here. It's still inside. I mean, is internal to this because it didn't break nor sweep this low here. So this low is still lower than this one. So that is why this leg is still inside, is within this low, this leg. So that is why we are not considering this. So the break of structure is from this very lower low here. So now, what is actually responsible for this break of structure to the downside? We have the inducement here, right? This is inducement. And meanwhile, we have unmitigated order flow. Look at it. I've marked it out already. We have unmitigated order flow here. This order flow has not been mitigated also. Let me mark it out for you. Let me mark it out so you see what I'm saying. This is one order flow. It has not been mitigated, right? It has not been mitigated at all. And we have another order flow here. We have another order flow here, right? This has been mitigated already. See, it has been mitigated already. So now this second order flow, this order flow at the middle here has not been mitigated, but it's serving as an inducement to this uh, extreme order flow here. Now, there's another one, the most extreme order flow. Look at it, this one. But it has been mitigated by this very small pullback here. It has been mitigated by this. So this unmitigated order flow here has not been mitigated, right? But it's kind of a inducement into this unmitigated order flow. So that is the reason I choose to, short Euro USD from here. So after market, I've taken out this inducement here. So many people, I know many people would have, positioned themselves here to short the market, to short Euro USD, but I look at it as inducement and as a trap. So that's why I, mark it out as inducement and wait for a price to get to me here to this extreme order flow. So that is it, guys. And my this is it. Yeah, my stop loss is here, and I position my take profit to here because it's downtrend. Because mind you, I'm targeting daily this order flow here. So, but currently now we have a risk to reward ratio of 3.6. So that is it, guys. We see you in the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to drop what you think about my analysis here. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Okay, let's go.